In this video, I'll explain how churches can use Mailchimp for email marketing in a simple way. Mailchimp can be a useful tool for churches to stay connected with their congregation, volunteers, and community. You can use it to send weekly newsletters, share announcements, promote upcoming events, send reminders, and keep members updated about church activities. You can organize your contacts using tags, groups, and segments, which makes it easier to send relevant information to different groups, such as volunteers, event attendees, or members. Mailchimp can also help automate certain communications, such as welcome emails for new subscribers or reminders for upcoming events, depending on the features available with your plan. Another useful feature is analytics. You can see metrics such as opens and clicks to understand how your congregation is engaging with your emails. For churches just getting started, Mailchimp provides a simple way to manage contacts and communicate with your community from one platform. If you want detailed step-by-step tutorials on setting up and using Mailchimp, be sure to check out our channel. And that's how churches can use Mailchimp for simple and effective email communication.